Okay, hey. So this video is made in reply in response to this comment here from one of my follower. Basically, I'm not familiar with the TikTok creator pilot program because we are from Singapore. We don't have such kind of program over here or even in Southeast Asia, right? And to let you understand the difference in regards to the creator pilot program that is out there in other parts of the world, maybe it is made available in your country. Well, you can do a bit of research, for example, using the chat GPT or even the Google, right? Gemini to help you get some basic information, right? To explain to you exactly the steps of joining the creator pilot program. Right, to understand the difference for a TikTok content creator here in Singapore, we are offered, right, to make in terms of commission as a TikTok for creator affiliate. And what are the benefits when you join such a program, right, with TikTok as their affiliate, right? In a simpler way to understand it, it is that we fulfill the condition of having 600 followers, right? Right now, this is the most recent adjusted um, followers numbers in back in the old days during my times, probably more than 1.5 or even 2 years ago. The TikTok Shop for Creator, right, program, right, it's we have to have at least minimum 1,000 followers, right? That is the condition, right? So when we successfully approved by TikTok, well, through the online way, all right, online way, online submission and applications, right? And when we successfully get approval from TikTok, right? So what do are the benefits that we enjoy is this or others, right? Would be we will get to have our own free online TikTok shop. And in this shop, right, we can go over to the TikTok marketplace, just like an e-commerce platform, and select trending products to start to bring it into our TikTok shop for creator, right? And then after that, we will start to make content promoting, right? Specifically the product, right? The policy also requires us, right, that in our content, right, we must showcase the product if we want to put in the affiliated product link to allow, right, viewers to click on it and buy it, right, if they want it, right? So the policy states that we have to showcase the product in our content, right? That's the policy, right? The other benefits also when we hit such a when we have such a TikTok shop for creator, right? We will also have additional business features that we can use, right? Either during the live streaming or off the live streaming. We have this thing called the service plus feature, whereby we can set up uh, some form of survey form to collect the viewers contact information, for example, like names, emails, contact number, right? So to us, to me, as a digital marketer, right, we call that a lead form, right? A lead form, right? Another one would be something like a automated direct messaging feature, right? Whereby we can set up And when somebody send us a DM, right? When we properly set it up, and they will be shown a few selection without our presence to answer this kind of message from the viewers directly, right? They can select based on what we have set up, right? And then from there we can understand what does this person wants from us, so that we can serve them better. So these are the business features that we get to benefit from it when we start our TikTok shop for creator. So I hope this is helpful for you. Well, I have come across a few times such things about the TikTok creator pilot program, right? And to my understanding, it is also the first requirement, similar to Singapore side. It's also to fulfill 1,000 followers, and there are different tiers to my understanding, right? So this is some kind of information, right, that I am exposed to because I have my own TikTok shop for creator, right? So I hope this is helpful for you, right? And last but not least, right? Last but not least, right? And I observe as a digital marketer, right? I observe in many of the TikTok marketing training out there, either free ones or paid ones, right? And I observe this thing that is very lacking. Lacking in what? The awareness, all right, as an affiliate to collect customer database, right? Customer database, right? So if you're not doing that as an affiliate marketer of TikTok, right? So what is happening is that you lost the opportunities, right? To to acquire a very important asset, right? Running a business here online with TikTok, right? Okay, so if you want to learn, right, in detail, what am I talking about here, right? Important thing is what I'm teaching you here is to safeguard your interest when you are an affiliate, when you are an affiliate of TikTok, to safeguard your interest. And I noticed that the awareness level is not there for a lot of beginners, and this will put the way you are making your money with TikTok at risk, right? At risk, right? So this is not what you want, right? This is not what you want. If you want to be long term about it, right? So don't forget to follow me. If you're watching this, don't forget to follow me. And I conduct many times, live streaming, right? And I discuss intensively with you the long-term strategy of how do you set up, right, some sort of a system to accumulate and build your customer database, right? Okay, and it is applicable in all other social media platform as well, not just restricted to TikTok. So it is a very, very useful thing for you, right? If you want to go long term by using the internet to create multiple sources of income, right? So I look forward to seeing you in my live stream, and I welcome you. If you attend my live streaming, don't be shy to interact with me with your questions, right, during the live streaming. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video.